Pizza! Woohoo! Pizza, please.
Bon Jovio, little paisano. What would you like on your pizza? How about everything? Okie dokie. One piece of pie coming up.
Well, gee, I don't want a whole pie. I've only got enough change for one slice. Hey, what's the big idea?
I don't sell pizza slices a la charte.
I always buy slices here.
Well, I just purchased and bought this establishment. So that's an old sign. Pizzatorium! We deliver a delicious pizza pie in 5 minutes, or it's free!
I said I want a slice of pizza.
Could you hold uno momentum, por favor?
One free pizza coming up.
Pizzatorium! We deliver a delicious pizza pie in 5 minutes, or your pizza is free!
I want a pizza with everything on it delivered to this address.
Got it! How mysterious. Gasp! I'm gonna be late! Meaty Meat Company, I'm out of sausage. You gotta get some to me fast!
Meaty Meat Company, here's your sausage, Mac.
Oh, I'm so very late! Oh my goodness!
Gotta go.
I don't know what's what around hereabouts, but I'm gonna deliver this pizza on time, or I'm not. Dapper Denver Dooley, pizza pie in the sky deliverologist. Dapper Denver Dooley, pizza pie in the sky his delivery.
Phooey. But there's still time.
Still have time.
Face it, Bub. You're gonna be late, and I'm getting that pizza for free.
Woodpecker, you're behind all this? I am not gonna let one pizza deliberated on time. I doed it, I doed it, I doody doody doed it.
Hey, this pizza's a mess.
I guarantee the delivery, not your satisfaction. So let me see, there's the pizza, one melted oven, damage to my van, jetpack fuel, and of course, my tip. No money? Well, then you'll work it off. Yep, guaranteed delivery in 5 minutes. No problemo. Woodpecker! Hit the skyway, Woodpecker!
Gee, Dooley, can't I just have one slice of pizza for the road?
Well, okay. But you gotta eat it raw, smarty feathers. Now deliverize that pie. I gotta remember to take them outside first.
Just how I like my pizza, with a view.